Carnival Vibes, the Notting Hill Carnival in the UK. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most vibrant and culturally rich events in the UK, the Notting Hill Carnival. Not only will you learn about this festive celebration, but you'll also understand its cultural significance and how it has become a hallmark of London's multicultural identity. The Notting Hill Carnival began as a response to racial tensions in London during the late 1950s. It was a way for the Caribbean community, particularly those from Trinidad and Tobago, to showcase their culture and promote unity. Started in 1966, this carnival was inspired by Caribbean traditions and quickly became an annual event. Fast forward to today, and the Notting Hill Carnival is one of the largest street festivals in Europe. Spanning 2 days during the August bank holiday weekend, the streets of West London come alive with colourful costumes, lively music, and tantalising food. Different elements make up the carnival. Moss bands. Participants dress up in intricate and vibrant costumes, dancing to the rhythm of the music. Steel bands. These bands play Caribbean music, especially calypso and soca, using steel pans. Sound systems. Huge speaker setups play a variety of music genres, from reggae to R&B, attracting large crowds. Street food. Stalls serve a variety of Caribbean delicacies, from jerk chicken to fried plantains. The Notting Hill Carnival serves as a celebration of Caribbean culture and its influence on the UK. It's a symbol of unity, diversity, and the rich tapestry of cultures that make up modern-day London. Many people, regardless of their cultural background, participate in or attend a carnival, making it a unifying event for Londoners and visitors alike. If you're thinking of experiencing the carnival firsthand, here are a few tips. Wear comfortable shoes. There's a lot of walking and dancing involved. Travel light. It can get crowded, so it's best to carry essentials only. Stay hydrated. The carnival takes place in August, which can be quite warm. Enjoy the food. Don't miss out on trying some Caribbean dishes. Respect the culture. Remember, it's a celebration of Caribbean culture. Engage, ask questions, and appreciate. The Notting Hill Carnival is more than just a street party. It's a vivid celebration of cultural diversity, unity, and the power of community. If you're ever in London during the August bank holiday weekend, it's an experience not to be missed. We hope this video gave you a glimpse into this wonderful celebration and inspired you to learn more about different cultures through the English language. Until next time, happy learning!